In this video, I'll be showing you how to install car mods in GTA 5 Enhanced. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, I'm going to have the link to the description of all of these things that you need, but we're basically going to have like 5 things that we need to download for this to work. So the very first thing is Z Enhanced. Since OpenIV is one of the things we need, which is this right here, it's basically something where you can like run the mods, but since it hasn't got full support yet for the enhanced version of GTA 5, we're going to need Z Enhanced as well. Then to make everything work, we're going to need Script Hook V. So we're going to install that as well. And then for the vehicles that we're going to be spawning, we're going to add on a vehicle spawner as well to download. And then for the cars that we're going to be doing, for an add-on car, for like a completely separate thing, we're going to be using the Noble M500 2022. And then for a, replacement car, we're going to be using the Frank Benz for the enhanced version. So all you want to do is basically just download all of these different things. So download now for OpenIV, and then go to download for Script Hook V as well. And then make sure that's downloaded as well. And then go to Frank Benz for enhanced. Download this as well. It says you agree to GTA 5 terms of use. So just download that and then download the M500 one too. And then once you're done with those two, download the add-on vehicle spawner as well as like the final thing. Then once you've downloaded them, they're going to look something like this. And now all you want to do is find the directory path for GTA 5 Enhanced. So to do this, you just want to open up Steam. Once you do, it's going to look something like this. And all you want to do is right click on Enhanced, go over to Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. And this is going to bring up the directory. Then you can just close Steam out and you'll be good. Okay, now we're going to be installing OpenIV, which is the very first step. So we're just going to double click on that, click English, and then accept the terms and conditions. And then you'd have to change anything here. So just press continue. It says download size is 20 megabytes, which is literally nothing. As you can see, it's downloading very quickly. So once it's installed successfully, you just want to close that out. Now, once that's done, all you want to do is open up Z Enhanced. It's a WinRAR file, as you can see right here. So all we want to do is right click, go to WinRAR, and then just press extract here. And it's going to extract the folder right there. It's going to make a brand new one. So we just want to, we can delete the WinRAR file now. And then you just want to open up Z Enhanced. So once you do, just press more info and press run anyway. Don't worry, it's completely safe. And then from here, all you want to do is open IV Fix. And then what you want to do is select the game folder. So for this, we want to go back to our GTA 5 Enhanced directory. So we can just copy this entirely, then go back to Z Enhanced, select game folder, and just copy and paste it as such. And then it's going to be selected. And then all you want to do is press Open IV Fix. Now it says Open IV Fix completed successfully. So now you can just click out of this and then you can actually open OpenIV. So we're just going to open it up right here from the desktop. So now all you got to do is select GTA 5 Windows and then just add the directory again. So we're just going to go to browse. So we're just going to copy this again, and then we can just copy it right here. Or if it doesn't let you copy it, what you can do is just find out exactly where it is. So it's in my D drive, Steam apps. So that's exactly where we're going to go. We're going to go to our D drive and then Steam apps, common, GTA 5 enhanced. And then we're going to select that folder. As you can see, it says successfully GTA 5 exe version. OpenIV can work with this file. Then just press continue. And it's going to say, do not forget to back up your original files before editing. It's going to search for the encryption key. So the first thing we want to do is press edit mode right here. It says while in edit mode, all changes will automatically save. Do you want to continue? Yes. And then it also says install plugin for GTA 5, but don't worry, you don't have to do that. All you want to do is actually open up Z Enhanced again. Once it's open, just press open IB files, but you have to select the game folder again. So we're going to do that, select the folder, and then just do open IB files have been applied. So they've been applied over here. And now all you want to do after that is go back to Z Enhanced and click enhanced files. Now it says enhanced files have been applied as well. Now we can close the enhanced, and what we're going to need is Script Hook V. So we're going to right click on it again, go to WinRAR, and then we're going to do extract to Script Hook V, which is going to make another folder for Script Hook V. So all we want to do is go into that folder. And then what we want to do is go into this folder right here, go into bin, and then drag and drop these 3 things, the D input, the Script Hook V, and X input into our GTA 5 directory. So we're just going to drag and drop them right here. It's going to say replace the file in this destination. So you just want to do that. The next thing we want to do is do our add-on spawner. So what we're going to do is right click on this, WinRAR, extract to again, which is going to make a new folder. Then we can delete the zip file. And then from here, what we're going to need is once opening it, all you want to do is get the add-on spawner folder and the ASI file. And we want to drag and drop that into the GTA 5 enhanced folder as well. So we're just going to do that as such. and then they're both going to be in here as well. After all of that, we're actually going to be ready to install the different car mods that we have, which are these two right here. But you're actually going to need a mods folder in your GTA 5 folder. So if you haven't got one, all you want to do is press new, go to folder, and then just type in mods. So now, once we're done with all of that, we can actually just double click on one of these. We can do WinRAR, choose always, and it's going to open up WinRAR like this. So then all you want to do is just click on it right here. Then it's going to show DLC RPF. And then once OpenIV is open again, all you want to do is go to mods, update x64, and then DLC packs. And we're going to see different DLC packs here. And all we want to do is drag and drop this into our GTA 5 directory. So just drag and drop it into this. And then after you've done it for that one right there, all you want to do is going to say rage package file. And then all you want to do is go back and then do the exact same thing for the other car as well. So in this instance, it's the Benz one. So we're going to extract to again, and then it's going to open up the other folder, click on that. Then from here, just do the same with the other car. And then once you open up GTA, you should be good to go.